First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aina Salastati from Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika, Kota Tegal. Today, I would like to present about software, hardware, input devices, and output devices in a computer system. Before discussing computer hardware, let's first understand software and its role in operating a computer. Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Software is a generic term used to refer to applications, scripts, and programs that run on a device. It can be thought of as the variable part of a computer. After learning the definition of software, now let's discuss one of the most important types of software, which is the operating system. An operating system is a unique type of software that starts automatically when a computer is turned on. It enables users to access and use the advanced functions of a modern computer without needing to understand how the hardware operates in detail. The operating system acts as a bridge between the hardware and the user, making the computer easier to use without requiring knowledge of bits and bytes. And the example is for desktop or laptop use Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, and Linux. And for smartphone like Google Android and Apple iOS. Besides operating systems, there is also another type of software called application software. Application software is a type of computer program designed to help users perform specific tasks or functions. These tasks can range from writing documents and editing photos to managing finance or browsing the internet. Unlike system software, which runs the computer itself, application software focuses on what the user wants to do. An example like software for work productivity like Microsoft Office Suite, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. And the second is software for surfing the internet, like Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, and Internet Explorer. And then software for listening music like Spotify and Apple Music. And software for communication like Google Meet, Zoom, Skype, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Line. And the last one is software for design and graphics like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Premiere Pro. After understanding software as the set of instructions and programs that control computer operations, it is also important to learn about hardware, which refers to the physical components or a computer system that work together with software to perform various tasks. Hardware is the physical components of a computer such as the motherboard, processor, memory, storage drives, and other devices. It is the hardware that hosts and supports software or programs that provide instructions for the computer to complete its tasks. Hardware can be divided into several categories. One of them is input and output devices. First, let's discuss input devices and their functions. Input device is any piece of hardware used to send data, signals, or commands to a computer or processing system. And the first example is text input device. We have keyboard. Is a text input device used to type letters, numbers, and symbols into a computer. And numeric keypad is used to enter numbers quickly and efficiently. And the next one is pointing device. We have mouse is a pointing device used to move the cursor and select items on a computer screen. And touchpad is a flat surface used to control the cursor by moving a finger across it. And the last one is right pen is used to point and draw directly on a computer screen. And the next one is image video input device. We have webcam is used to capture live video and images for a computer. Scanner convert printed images or documents into digital files. And camcorder to record video and stores it in digital format. The last example is audio input device. Like microphone is an audio input device used to record sounds and voice into a computer, and a headset microphone to allow users to input audio while listening through headphones. After discussing input devices, now let's move on to output devices. Output device is any piece of computer hardware that receives processed data from a system and convert it into a human perceptible format such as visual, audio, or physical data. So, when the computer has processed the information and carried out the task, it sends it back out. Example first is image video output device, like monitor. A monitor displays text, images, and videos produced by a computer, and projector displays computer output onto a larger screen or wall. A printer produces physical copies of digital documents and images. And the last one is audio output devices, like speaker. A speaker is an audio output device that produces sounds from a computer. Headphones allow users to listen to audio privately from a computer or device. And the next one, earphone. Earphones are small audio output devices worn in the ears to hear sounds clearly. And the last, sound system. A sound system amplifies and outputs high-quality audio from a computer or media device. So those are the examples of hardware devices used for input and output in a computer system. In conclusion, hardware and software work together to help computers perform various tasks efficiently. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.